Hi guys, Keval this side. So, emails versus WhatsApp. Study shows that emails opening rate is around 20 to 25% versus WhatsApp has an opening rate up to even 98%. Hi guys, how are you doing? Few days back I was talking to few of my students, MSME business owners, and past many years I'm working with so many business owners in manufacturing, trading, services, retail, real estate. And almost every student used to tell me that cable, we have automated our business, we have implemented the systems. However, the communication with employees, the communication with customers, the communication with vendors, it could have been better if it could have been on WhatsApp. So I thought that, yes, if students require something like that, we need to, give it to them. So I thought that instead of just randomly, picking a WhatsApp API and helping them implement, let us try using it in our processes as well. And we tried. And I was shocked to see the results. Every week we conduct a lot of free webinars as well, business automation masterclass to help people understand on how to scale the business. And I was shocked to see the opening rate, the registration rate, and the attendance rate. Just by adding the WhatsApp messaging system, the registrations increased to 50% as compared to what it was in email. So what I identified that a lot of people want to implement WhatsApp automation. However, even if the solution is given to them, they don't know on how to use it effectively. So what we did, we started implementing the WhatsApp solution to our few students, especially people who are into manufacturing and trading side, people who have blue collar employees, white collar employees, especially who don't have those employees who don't have the email access. But everybody in the world right now have WhatsApp except countries like China. So the results were absolutely amazing. We provide a solution to our students which is called task delegation. एंड वो एक सोल्यूशन ऐसा है कि अगर बिजनेस ओनर को अपने एम्प्लॉय को काम देना है तो वो मोबाइल पे गूगल फॉर्म है, गूगल फॉर्म फिल करते हैं और ऑटोमेटिकली उस एम्प्लॉय को ईमेल चला जाता है अबाउट द वर्क. बट व्हेन आवर स्टूडेंट्स इंप्लीमेंटेड द व्हाट्सएप विद इट, इट चेंज्ड एवरीथिंग. अब जब भी बिजनेस ओनर काम देते हैं अपने एम्प्लॉय को, फॉर्म फिल करते हैं और उनके व्हाट्सएप पे नोटिफिकेशन चला जाता है और डेली रिमाइंडर जाता है ऑफ ऑल द पेंडिंग टास्क्स. Then we asked them to use it in their payment reminder system, and they used it. And the response was amazing. Our students started collecting payments 70% faster. Because जब email पे reminder जाता था, a lot of their customers, they used to delay in opening the email. 2 दिन बाद open करा email, 3 दिन बाद किया. But WhatsApp एक ऐसा platform है जो same day पे opening करते थे, and the customers were ready with their answers कि कब payment कर रहे हैं. So payment recovery became faster. Alongside with that, जो vendor के साथ communication है और जो prospects के साथ communication है वो भी better हो गई. We asked them to use it in the CRM system as well, and it changed the entire scenario. Now, following it with the customers became very easy on WhatsApp. Now, I wanted to share great news with all the people who are right now listening to us. In our automation program, which is MBA, Master of Business Automation, we have included WhatsApp automation as well. And students who are implementing it, their results are going to the next level. Their reading and replying rate has tripled 4 times. Their teams are becoming much more effective and completing double, triple of the tasks which they used to complete before. They started saving huge amount of time which they used to waste on telling the team कि ये काम कब करना है और क्यों करना है, because of WhatsApp automatically उनको remind कराता है. So what we have done the marriage of Google and WhatsApp together, and that is the beauty of technology. So MSME सेक्टर एक ऐसा सेक्टर है जहाँ पे जो एम्प्लॉयज हैं वो उतने ऑर्गेनाइज नहीं है, जो ब्लू कॉलर एम्प्लॉयज हैं, व्हाइट कॉलर एम्प्लॉयज हैं, एक कल्चर नहीं है ईमेल्स का, एंड व्हाट्सएप इज समथिंग विच सूट्स टू देम, एंड दैट इज द गुड न्यूज कि अब जो हमारे जितने भी सिस्टम्स हैं गूगल पे, चाहे फॉर्म्स हैं, शीट्स हैं, जो हमारे ऑटोमेशन के टूल्स हैं, टास्क डेलीगेशन, सीआरएम सिस्टम, फ्लो मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम, जो भी हमारे मार्केटिंग टूल्स हैं, सेल्स हैं, ऑपरेशंस के, एचआर के, उस सारे टूल्स में अब व्हाट्सएप इंटीग्रेट होके आ रहा है, और जो स्टूडेंट्स इसको यूज कर रहे हैं दे आर गेटिंग tremendous results, shocking results. So just keep watching my window, and you'll see very soon we will have awesome stories coming out from the students who are getting great results. For all the people who want to know about WhatsApp automation, who want to know ये केवल कैसे ऑटोमेशन से हमारी लाइफ इजी हो सकती है, हमारे बिजनेस को कैसे ग्रोथ मिल सकती है, हमारे एम्प्लॉयज की प्रोडक्टिविटी कैसे बढ़ सकती है, और हम कैसे फायर फाइटिंग से फ्रीडम कर सकते हैं, what you can do is you can go to my website kevalkishan.com. That's where you will see a link of live class. This week I'm doing a session this Sunday, and I want you to be there. It's going to be a 2 hours of master class. It's going to be complimentary, but बहुत इंगेजमेंट होगी, बहुत सारी चीजें करेंगे, फॉर्म सीखेंगे, शीट सीखेंगे, एंड यू विल सी द ट्रू पोटेंशियल ऑफ हाउ यूजिंग व्हाट्सएप यू कैन टेक योर बिजनेस टू द नेक्स्ट हाइट्स. Because it's never about technology, it's never about tool, it's about how you use it in the context of the problems that you have, and that is what we are helping our students to do. We are not only giving them the tools and technology, we are guiding them कि उसको कैसे यूज करना है और कौन सी चीजें आपको अवॉइड करनी है to get the best results. And the employees who are जिनकी कंपनीज में ऑटोमेशन लग रहे हैं, employees are really happy because now employees are not वरीड कि बॉस फिर से आज बोलेंगे कि ये काम क्यों नहीं किया, वो काम क्यों नहीं किया. सो बॉस ने काम दे दिया और एम्प्लॉयज काम कंप्लीट कर लेते हैं, थ्रू व्हाट्सएप अपडेट कर देते हैं, एंड एक जो ओवरऑल एफिशिएंसी थी वो बेटर हो गई है, एक जो कोलैबोरेशन था वो इंप्रूव हो गया, right? So this is the difference between email and WhatsApp specifically to MSME sector for micro, small and medium enterprises. So if you know any friend who is a business owner, or if you are a business owner, try this WhatsApp automation and your life, your business will be changed forever. All the best. Take care.